See, kids, they tell us, but we don't care. Notice, no trespassing. City of Jacksonville, Cracksonville, no trespassing.
Hey!
Get the fuck in. See that? See, kids, when it says no trespassing and it has chains, you shouldn't try it, but we're gonna. You see this guy right here? Fearless son of a bitch. Yeah, he made it through. He made it through. He made it. Hey, Matt, I got you in frame with it. Okay. This one's gonna be a motherfucker. And there's that street sign y'all kids saw earlier. What? What? Wait. There you go. Hi kids, safety guy again. Just to remind you, no skateboarding, rollerblading, walking bikes, cross bridge. Didn't say anything about a raptor. Our next obstacle, people at home, this thing. Right here.
They can see it all.
Yeah, right here on Ivy Street, baby. It goes all the way down there. Very, very, very dangerous. Brakes.
Yeah.
And this is it. Keep walking. We're recording.
Hi, my name's Cactus, and this is the Seatbelt. No, let's see if this actually works. Whoa. Gonna crash. Oh, it'll fucking work too. Oh yeah. I may not slide out this time. I need a...
You need about 6 more inches there, don't you?
No? Alright, that's good. Yeah, let me see that.
Now it's going.
Let's see. Alright, for those of you at home, there's a rubber grommet right here to help us with the steering. And so it does not pop out.
And a washer.
And a washer
On the back side so this bar doesn't come out.
Did you hear that? Yeah, we got this.
Hi, I'm Wesley. We're not professionals in any way, shape, or form, but I'm the safety coordinator, and I think this will go well. Only if we do it. Tell me when to move! He's good.
I don't know if you can fit in any of those corners.
Hang on. Alright. We're going down the loop again.
I think I should wait for you to go a little bit up.
Alright, I'm going down the hill and I'll yell whenever it's time. Yeah, it's a bitch of a turn. We're doing it on the Raptor. Are you ready? Ready. Rip that shit! Fuck in it. You know, we're just out here risking our lives. Yeah! Go for it! Time for the races. Alright, hold on. Yeah, it is. We have a confirmed danger report, people at home. They're actually second thinking it. Okay.
GoPro camera.
One.
Attachment where you attach it to a handlebar. Think about going over there and see what it looks like. Alright. Attach your camera.
Alright, fellers.
No, you gotta get way down there, man.
Dude, I gotta get a starting shot first. Give me a sec. Starting shot. Hold on. Look like you're starting. Go for it! off-roading.
I don't know if you can fit in any of those corners.
Hang on. Alright. We're going down the loop again.
I think I should wait for him to go all the way down.
Alright, I'm going down the hill and I'll yell whenever it's time. Yeah, it's a bitch of a turn. We're doing it on the Raptor. Are you ready? Ready. Rip that shit! Fuck in it. You know, we're just out here risking our lives.